pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I get a ride on that car?
Oh, you're too big.
I'm too big?
Yeah,
Are
you're
you
too big.
You sure?
Daddy's bits. Daddy's bits.
Daddy fixed it?
Yeah.
Look at Nico looking at you in the window.
Nico wants to come outside.
He does want to come outside, huh?
Yeah, Nico wants to come outside.
Can you give Nico a ride on your car?
No, Nico's too big.
Who can you give a ride?
Oh no, that's too big.
Everybody's too big.
Yeah, Daddy's too big.
Daddy's too big. Well, luckily Blackie fits.
Yeah, Blackie's big.
Blackie fits, so no problem. You got Blackie on there?
Yeah.
Okay, he's the only one, huh?
This motorcycle.
That was a motorcycle. That's
Yeah.
right.
See, that's loud.
That's very loud. Is your car loud?
Yeah, make us loud.
Your car's loud.
Yeah.